Hey, welcome back. It's Abel here with Southwestern Controls. I just wanted to discuss something that some of our customers often ask us while we help them design disc pumps for their applications. Most of the time, they run into issues with selecting the pump material. There are other factors like the flow rate, the pressure head required, and everything like that. But one of the main concerns that they always run into is what kind of material should I use? Should I go with something like stainless steel, or should I choose some other material that's really good for my abrasive or corrosive slurry? So let's go ahead and take a quick sneak peek into one of the materials that I just wanted to discuss with you, which is really good for corrosive and abrasive slurry applications. So if you have ever pumped slurry, you know that it can be one of the most challenging fluids to move. No doubt about it, slurry is tough on pumps. Here is a list of the materials that we offer on our disc pumps to our customers. We have provided pumps in ductile iron, 316 stainless steel, and even in materials like CD4. The 316 stainless steel is a popular option that most of our customers often request for abrasive and corrosive slurries. But there is also a question if this is the best material for all applications. No, in fact, stainless steel is really good, because if you look at this particular casing that's here, this 316 stainless steel has been in continuous operation for 14 months in a silica service, which is a very catastrophic service as far as a regular centrifugal pump is concerned. So what I want to do today is I want to introduce you to this particular material, which we discovered that it provides better service life and is an economical for most chemical and abrasive slurries than stainless steel. In fact, the selection of this particular material has enabled one of our customers here in Austin, Texas, to achieve 20 years of continuous pump life without any failure in a challenging catalyst slurry application. So what exactly is this material? So CD4 MCU is of iron, chromium, nickel, copper, and molybdenum alloy. It is a stainless steel with corrosion resistance equal to or better than 316 stainless steel, but with double the yield strength. It's what is called as a duplex, which is a two-phase stainless steel, while common grades of stainless steel such as 316 are single-phase. So this kind of like duplex material, it provides higher corrosion resistance of the 300 series stainless steel with the strength and hardness of the 400 series stainless steel. So therefore, these CD4 pumps allow pumps to be used in more abrasive applications with better resistance to corrosion, cracking, and pitting. What is the reason for this? The hardness number of stainless steel is 95 Brinell hardness, whereas for the CD4 it's close to 250 Brinell hardness. So this particular metal combines the corrosion resistance of the 300 series with the strength and hardness of the 400 series. The end result is a stainless steel with corrosion resistance equal to or better than that of stainless steel, but with double the yield strength. So that is why we find a lot of applications and a lot of petrochemical and waste stream slurries. We find solutions for the most harsh pump applications. Some of these are like acid slurries, catalysts, filter press feeds, titanium dioxide, zeolite slurries, lime slurries, and even calcium carbonate. So that's why I just want to say why we prefer using CD4 material over stainless steel for corrosive and abrasive applications. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.